Hello guys, it's me, the son of um, um, my daddy, Dale Guinness. So, my tita just actually taught you how to use this. Is press coffee maker. Do you know why do I actually take up this one? Because that is one of the steps. But do you need these ingredients? But only two ingredients. Just hot water and coffee. You can use actually any coffee here. So, and my tita actually we actually tried this several times, so I know how to do this. First, take off this just like I do it, and just put the coffee. You don't need a scale. You just measure it. And my Lola is here actually. Yes. That means I have to put all there. Next is hot water. So you have to be careful because you know this is actually hot water. It's so hot actually. Okay, wait, there's a notification here. Okay, when you pour in the coffee and the hot water, you have to actually cover it. This is kind of difficult. So this one must be at what you want to be to see, because you can actually block this one. You actually don't need it. So yes, okay, put there. So we just wait for 4 minutes. It's gonna take a while. Actually, I have this one, but I actually don't use it actually an accident. So you know, I just got actually 112 subscribers, and just actually you play Roblox. Because I actually play Roblox. And do you play Blacksmith? Because I play Blacksmith too. And when I just actually got my first in, but I'm still a noob from level 53. I actually spin 2 magma fruits for my cousin. He is actually right next to me. Okay. So this is gonna be at least 5 minutes to just wait. Then I just start at nothing. You know, you're just gonna skip, right? So let's just wait. And do you have actually a light fruit? Because I don't know what is better, the light fruit or the magma fruit. Because I see the tier list of it. And the light fruit is actually A, and the magma fruit is actually S, because that's so much damage. But I actually, my mastery of it is actually 2. I'm 26. So the magma floor is actually useful. You are actually invincible to enemies there. Well, it's almost 5 minutes, so we have to wait. You know, I'm just talking boring stuff, right? And actually, I got my Lola here. Oh, forgot. Just wait. Actually, need a glass of. And 5 seconds left. And this is actually hot actually. Ooh, yes. Okay, when it's actually up to 4 minutes, we can actually push it down. But you can only push it down slowly. So push. Until it's actually down, you can pour the coffee. And this is for my tita. So I just wanted because I actually tell my daddy. This okay. This one I think. Wait, this one you don't need to block this one. So push it again. So put it actually back. So on the next video actually, and this is my longest video actually. And the coffee is done. So see you later, guys. Have a nice weekend because it's this Saturday. Bye bye.